I'm Kelly Warner. For years, people have wondered if too much time spent on cell phones could be dangerous to our health. Recently, the National Toxicology Program released partial findings from a 2-year study that exposed rats to the type of radio frequency radiation that cell phones give off. Now, the American Academy of Pediatrics is hoping parents will listen closely to the findings and take precautions.
Nice work.
Pediatrician Dr. Pilar Bradshaw treats hundreds of kids each year in her practice. She's deeply troubled by a recent study by the National Toxicology Program, part of the National Institutes of Health, that found a dangerous connection between cell phone radiation and cancer.
The cancers that we're talking about, they've shown to be very malignant, very dangerous, very difficult to treat cancers in lab rats exposed to cell phone radiation similar to what you are exposed to if you're using your phone on your ear.
In response to the study, the American Academy of Pediatrics issued a statement urging parents to curb their children's cell phone use by taking precautions that Dr. Bradshaw now shares with her patients.
Don't encourage your children to talk on the phone at all. If possible, have them only use it for short emergency phone calls. If they use the cell phone for a phone call, hold it away from your head, not on your ear.
And take steps to prevent exposure to other areas of the body.
Do not wear your phone on your body. Girls, take it out of your pockets. Don't put it in your shirt. Boys, keep it out of your front pocket.
The American Academy of Pediatrics says parents should not panic over the latest research, but instead should use it as a good reminder to limit the time you and your kids spend on your phones.
Now, it is important to note that this study was only done on rats, and while rats can be good test subjects for medical research, they are not the same as humans, and it's not yet known if the same results would occur in people. More study is needed. In the meantime, you can read this study in more detail and get additional tips on how to limit your exposure to cell phone radiation at eugenepeds.com/healthykids. I'm Kelly Warner.